KC Kids.
I was the winner of the Kansas City Healthy Kids menu contest.
My menu included a chef salad, veggie cup, chocolate-covered strawberries, and chocolate-covered apples. It's important to eat healthy because it assures you a long and healthy life. The chef salad was healthy because it had tomatoes and vegetables in it, and the veggie cup was healthy because it's vegetables. And then the chocolate-covered strawberries and apples are healthy because the apples and strawberries are both fruits. I would tell kids to learn to have a few recipes that are healthy, but they also like so that they will eat them.
Local stories on KCPT Kids are supported by Rodgers Health and Harvesters.
I love PBS Kids.
I love PBS Kids.
I like PBS Kids.
I love PBS Kids.
KCPT Kids, Kansas City.